the bot that generates profit on its own. Meet Ultima Bot, your automated assistant in the world of crypto trading. No more staring at charts or spending 24/7 in front of your computer. Ultima Bot works 24/7, even while you sleep. It never trades at a loss. Only profitable trades get executed. This is a fair spot trading. No leverage, no liquidation risk. The bot successfully operates on MEX and BINX exchanges, running on more than 7 trading strategies depending on the market situation. Using Ultima Card, you can easily convert the profits gained by the bot into fiat and make purchases worldwide. To activate the trading bot, you just need to purchase a license for USDT. Upon payment, funds in Ultima will be frozen on your smart wallet, which you can receive back in 3 years. Thousands of bots are already trading and generating profit for their owners. Launch your Ultima Bot today.